What's up, investors? Reviewing the trades for the year. Year to date, we're up $85,230. You will see on UNH, I am up over $31,000 this year just scalping it. So it's been a very good year just scalping UNH. Looking at today's gains, we made $1,268. Zooming in over here, we bought this dip on the open, and I bought in this consolidation. Very simple, not even using the candles, just using RSI and knowing that 305 was the 2-day support. I bought up in this region right here. RSI down here was 19 on the 1 minute at the time. And then also, if you zoom in on this 5 minute one more time, you will see that the 5 minute was 20. So most of the time when the 1 minute and the 5 minute are trading below 20, you can get a pop. So I bought around this 305, 305.50 was my exact entry, and then scalping in and out as we were through these 5 minute candles to make $1,268 today. The other key for it was looking at the previous day high. You can see looking at this low here, previous day low, I apologize. Just marking, drawing this out. If you trade the same stocks over and over, you get used to how they move. You get used to the repetitiveness, the patterns. And I was able to notice that we had the consolidation and we had a previous support right in this region right here. That was the day before. So I was looking for anything around this 305 to 306 range. I happened to buy this nice thin wick right here. And that's how I did it. So we're going to continue trading. We're going to continue looking for UNH scalps. I think it's a great opportunity. Just to give a little heads up, there's a few stocks that I'm watching for tomorrow. We have to prepare Wednesday. We do have NVDA earnings. When I just look at UNH real quick, though, I am trying to be careful here because if anything breaks 302, if we break $302, I do believe we have a chance to see $300 this week. So I would love to see further drawdown in the morning, break this 302 support area right here, and let's retest this 300. I will be buying and scalping this region if we can get $300 tomorrow. That is something I will be watching. I also just wanted to bring up BBAI stock is starting to consolidate and show us within this range. It has failed to break out at $6. It is trading within at the lower range of $5. If we do get this break here, what I'm looking for is, are we going to break the $5 down to 473, retest 5, and then start making lower lows? We will see. It's trading within this range right now, so we have to let it play out. Tesla stock in my YouTube portfolio is blowing up. It is finally breaking, potentially making new highs. Resistance at 350, which makes sense, psychological zone. But I'm not too excited yet. I want to be, but it has to break this 362 range first before it is going to make higher highs. So watch this level right here. 368 must be broken. And we have this clear resistance here. If we can get above 350, then we can make our move to these highs at $364 per share. So please keep an eye on that if you are trading Tesla. NVIDIA, I'm staying away from until earnings. It's on Wednesday. If you want me to live stream those earnings, please just hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment in the section below. I can live stream it on Wednesday. I would absolutely love to. Just want to make sure it's something that you guys are interested in. So looking for rejections at 183, retesting it until earnings. Would love to see a pullback down to 166. That is the clear zone that we are trading in right now. That's what I'm going to be watching for earnings. They most likely will have a blowout earnings, so we have to kind of be patient and see where it's going to trade before. I don't want to buy at 180 when in April it was $92 per share. Another stock that I'm watching is Walmart. Walmart is coming down to the zone that I've been waiting for over a month now. And if you can see at the beginning of August, we were trading about $93, waiting for this pullback. We are in this zone now. I'm going to start scalping it just like I do UNH. This is what it did. And then it broke the support level at $98. So we need this pullback, another like 2-3% down to 94 to 90. I would say $94 I'm looking for to look for that push back up. That's the region we are trading in right now. Strict stop loss below $93. You've had multiple supports. I'd be surprised if we didn't get some kind of bounce around this level.